So my name is Zachary Alves. I was the head teacher at the Lego robotics program here at ACES at Chase in Waterbury, Connecticut. I'm a physical education teacher, so this is a little bit out of my wheelhouse.
The music's making him dance.
I think words like engineering and science and mathematics could be a little intimidating for some people.
I didn't even start the programming.
We want our students to know that STEM deals with any subject that you'll choose to do later on in your life. So if you're not able to troubleshoot and know the basics of STEM, then it's going to be difficult to pursue careers that you want to pursue and advancing those careers. This isn't just come and build Legos. This is communication, collaboration, all those necessities in the 21st century. I think once they kind of have that clarity that, okay, we're going to mess up, like that's kind of what we're here to do, like messing up is part of success, that's when we saw a lot more success in the builds in the class as a whole.
What is that?
It's a therapy gun.
A therapy gun?
A muscle gun.
I don't need no therapy.
Yes, you do. You got too many problems.